When it comes to tool storage, Milwaukee's black and red Packout system is quickly becoming one of the most popular solutions. Milwaukee have given the control to you. With over 25 cases to choose from at ITS, you can mix and match and get your system exactly how you want it. You can swap your cases out with ease using their patented multi-footprint system, just a pull and a slide away. This easy but secure system means that you can transport your equipment from one place to another with no hassle. You don't even have to be a Milwaukee fan to use Packout. You can stick any tool from any brand in these cases. Some people may consider it a crime, but we see many customers using a massive range of tools and still investing in the Packout system. That said, if you're a Milwaukee fan already, you know that above all they aim for heavy duty, and that doesn't stop with their tools. All Packout toolboxes and organisers are constructed with impact-resistant polymer and IP65 rated seals to keep water and dust out. They know what you need, and that is why they've designed these cases to be able to sustain a knock or two if you're out on a job. Like I said earlier, there are over 25 cases to choose from, and there is quite a variety, from the ever popular rolling trolley to the standard case to the totes. And of course you can organise the insides too. There are organiser bins and dividers available for most cases. You can get compatible soft storage as well, with tote tool bags, pack-up backpacks and more. But it doesn't stop with the conventional items. You can get your hands on first aid kits, coolers, and even work surfaces, so you can sign your autographs from the top of your rolling Packout fortress. And it does feel like they've thought of everything, because you have your rolling and your portable solutions, but there are also products for stationary storage. For example, if you're looking to put some cases in your van and you know you're going to be Tokyo drifting around to the next job, if you don't want your tools all over the back of the van, you can attach a mounting plate to the floor or even to the door. With the flexibility and durability that Milwaukee Packout gives you, it is clear to see why it is becoming popular among all trades. And with the launch of our new superstore, ITS is the place to be. Check out all things Milwaukee and Milwaukee Packout over at its.co.uk. And be sure to follow our socials to be the first to know about new products, deals, and more.